to zaplý? Je to zaplý. Takže ahoj, já jsem Richard Foxberg z týmu Overfly. A protože dneska opravdu nádherně, tak jsem se rozhodl, že natočím pár záběrů ze svého všedního tréninku. Tady na tom jednom spotě v té prdelce, kde bydlím. Pokud se vám to bude líbit, tak lajkujte, sdílejte, komentujte. Pokud ne, tak spíš ignorujte. Takže hezkou zábavu a někdy příště.
Chitty Bang, and we pretty much amazing. Yeah, mind your manners, you hear me? And all the people should be raising their glasses, blow crazy, celebrating the madness. I never thought I would deliver no classics, then I hooked up with them and then delivered more classics. Yeah, I've been keeping it true, hotel good, long as I can peep on the view. Like, damn, how high are we? You gotta gamble in this life, Charles Ball. I'm overprotected, through the dopest of methods. Now my vocal perfected, this is audio breakfast, yes. So tell a hater here's a slammer. I know they hating on us, but mind your manners.
Take a second look and you'll see. There is no one like me. There is no one like me.
Like me.
You better reconsider. You will never do better. There is no one like me.
There's no one like me. See, this is etiquette right here, you know what I'm saying? So say la la la, I arrive will I. Black eyed I am, I surprise will I. And I can't rely on another guy. I was caterpillared into a butterfly. I'm living in the moment, why won't you go and own it? And we don't got the spirits, at least we could Corona it. Or the sake homie, I'll be sipping tight, cool. And you get the wrong number if I don't like you.